Yes, the Korky Strongarm 6071 trip lever includes printed instructions in the package. For installation, start by turning off the water supply and flushing the tank until it is empty to prevent spills. Remove the old trip lever by loosening its retaining nut with an adjustable wrench while holding the interior arm steady so you do not damage the tank wall. Compare the new trip lever to the old one to ensure the arm length and threading match, and if the new arm is slightly longer, trim it with a hacksaw and file the edge smooth so it moves freely. Insert the new trip lever from outside the tank and hand tighten the retaining nut inside, then use a wrench to snug it another quarter turn without over-tightening to avoid cracking the tank or stripping threads. Reconnect the flush chain to the flapper or flush valve with about 1/2 inch of slack so the flapper seals fully but lifts easily when the lever is pressed. Turn the water back on, let the tank refill, test for proper seal and smooth operation, and make small chain or lever adjustments until the flush feels consistent and there are no drips into the bowl. Common mistakes include over-tightening the retaining nut, which can crack the tank or distort the lever so it binds. Fix this by hand starting the nut and finishing with a gentle wrench turn only. Another frequent issue is incorrect chain length, which either prevents full sealing or causes a partial lift. Adjust to about 1/2 inch of slack and test by hand pressing the lever. A third problem is mismatching lever arm length or thread size with the tank hole, which leads to leaks or improper operation. Verify compatibility before cutting or installing, and if needed, swap to the correct model or use a short adapter sleeve to match threads. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide tools to find bids and reviews relevant to plumbing and other jobs. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and post photos to make projects easier for everyone.